How to set up the LG Thinq app on an LG Smart TV. In this video, we'll show you how to download the LG Thinq app to your Android or iOS smartphone and use it to connect and control your LG Smart TV. Before we begin, make sure that both your smartphone and TV are connected to the same network for a wired connection. For Wi-Fi connection, make sure that both are connected to the 2.4 GHz network. For Android users, your phone's Bluetooth function is automatically enabled by default on the Thinq app's initial launch for better detection and connectivity with the TV. Note that iPhone users do not have this feature in the app and must manually turn Bluetooth on and off. Make sure that the mobile data settings on your phone are also turned off. Now, let's begin. On your smartphone, search Google Play or the Apple Store for LG Thinq, then download the Thinq app to your smartphone. Launch the Thinq app. For the initial setup, you have to log into the app with an LG account. If you do not have an account yet, select Sign in with LG from the options, then click Create Account and follow the on-screen instructions. Enter your account information and verify your email. If you already have an account set up, select your preferred sign-in method from the options. We advise you to use a Google account if you want to use Google Assistant voice control, or an Amazon account if you want to use Alexa voice control. Press Sign In and enter your email ID and password. The Thinq app is now ready for use. On the Thinq app, tap the plus sign to add your device. Tap Select Device, then tap Next. Select the TV from the product list. The Thinq app will search for your TV on the Wi-Fi network. Select your TV from the available devices list, then enter the code that displays on the TV screen into your phone. For Android and iOS smartphones, follow the on-screen prompts. Note that you will have to link your account for managing IoT devices. During this process, it will ask for additional policies and agreements to be accepted. This step is required for controlling your TV by voice through a smart speaker, for example. On your TV, the linked account information will show in the home dashboard when the linking is completed. To control the TV with the Thinq app, select the TV on the app to see all the available controls. These controls are similar to the controls on the LG Magic Remote. For example, you can select the TV input, change the volume, change the channel, move the pointer, use the scroll function, or use the arrow buttons and OK button, plus more. There is also a back button. In addition, LG TV models with WebOS 3.5 and later versions can be turned on and off using the Thinq app. For previous WebOS versions, only the power off function is available. For Android phones, you can use either Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to power on the TV. For iPhones, use Wi-Fi only. For WebOS 6.0 TVs, click the vertical dots, then General, then Devices, External Devices, then TV on with Mobile. Then toggle on both Turn on via Wi-Fi and Turn on via Bluetooth. For WebOS 5.0 and earlier, click the vertical dots, then Connection, then Mobile TV on. Then toggle on both Turn on via Wi-Fi and Turn on via Bluetooth. Should you wish to delete the TV from the Thinq app, go to Device Settings, tap on the TV, and select Delete Product. The TV will be deleted from the app, and the smartphone will no longer be connected to the TV. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.